Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your Binance account passkey step by step. Let's get into it. First, you want to open the Binance mobile app. On the login screen, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left. Then you want to click on your account. Then you want to choose security. Then choose passkeys. Now, I don't have a passkey yet on this account, but this is basically where you need to go in order to reset your Binance account passkey. Once you're in this page, you'll need to go through the verification process by typing in the code that will be sent to your registered email. And once you're verified, you'll be asked to create a new password. You just have to enter it twice to confirm and then tap submit. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Binance passkey and can now log back into your account with the new password. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.